I'm falling out of love with you, LA. Running out of reasons I should stay. I'm overwhelmed, I'm over it. It's too cold here anyway. I'm falling out of love with you, LA. Back to a loner cup where the sun is out all the time. My favorite beach is there, and the sand it stretches for miles. Sing a la-di-di-da and slowly dance until the morning comes. I feel most at home when I'm back in a lonely car. Darling, I find
Happy streaming, kuya. Thank you, Lander. Oy, what's up, Clay?
the water's perfect.
Bago glasses? Hindi. Luma na to. Ngayon ko lang sinutulat. Guys, don't spam. Too early on the live. Don't spam, guys. Don't spam. Baka maano tayo eh. Nakaka-shadow ban kasi pa nag-i-spam eh.
My heart is
Now ko lang nakita. Hindi, ginagamit ko to dati kapag ano. Kapag sa house, dito lang.
back to a lonely cup.
Good evening also. Good evening also, guys. Thank you, Rose. Thank you, Serge. Thank you, guys. Anti-rad. And ano, with grado also. With grado.
Sing a la-di-di-da.
Chill live. Di man. Depende kung saan pupunta ang live. Aerith. Good eve. Ano yung Simoy? Ano yung Simoy? What's that? Hello, Ali. Good evening sa'yo, man. Good evening sa'yo. Pwede ka maggawa ng what if? Depende. Pag trip ko. Mamaya.
Tears like this upon my face. Every artist falls in a wonder.
Mag-aano pa pala ako dapat eh.
If God is really
Mag-edit pa sana ako dapat ng content. Meron pa akong di napopost pala. Mag-edit na lang ako habang ano. Mamaya. Pag naka-chill live ako mamaya, baka mag-edit ako ng 15 minutes, guys. Pero di na ako mag-end. May kailangan akong i-edit eh. Kalimutan ko pala.
my favorite
Pero maya-maya na.
is there, and the sand it stretches for miles. Sing a la-di-di-da
Wait lang.
and slowly dance until the morning comes. I feel most at home when I'm back in a lonely
Bukas na. Yeah. Bukas na yung bagong episode natin on Spotify and YouTube. Yung collab namin ni Celine Nobleza. Daming ano dun. Madaming clippable moments. So, check nyo yun. Bukas, guys, upload na yun. Mga gabi siguro yun. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. siguro. Ganda ng hoodie. Thank you. Madaming ang nagagandahan sa hoodie na to. Itong this one. Neon. Ay, apple green pala. Apple green. Anong camera gamit ko? I'm using the Hollyland Venus Live Air. Ganda no? Ganda ng quality, legit. Like, kapag marami na rin nagtanong sa stream niyan. And also, thank you to Hollyland for sponsoring this camera. Solid Hollyland. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo, but I think it can run 4K. Pero kasi dito sa TikTok live stream, it can only feature like 1080p sagad. Yata or 21. Oo, tama, 1080p sagad lang, but it can record 4K if I'm not mistaken. Tsaka the focus, guys, the focus on this camera. Like, teka, pakita ko sa inyo Blur. Pag-blur. You know, Look at the focus. Ganda. Super nice. Super nice. Camera. Yeah, Hollyland. Venus Live Air. San ka di makalaya episode 3? Parang pilit na eh. Parang pilit na kapag nag-episode 3 tayo eh. Pag ganun, pilit na masyado. What if? Maya-maya guys, maya-maya. Kaka-live ko lang. Thank you, Ralph. Thank you, Flynn. Thanks guys. Nakit ka na naman ulit. Sucks lang. Di naman. Ganap lang ako ng kantang bagay ngayon. Siguro mga 9:30 guys, mag-edit ako. Pero dito lang ako, tatambay lang ako dito. Pero mag-edit ako guys, may kailangan ako i-post. Di dapat ako mag-live din ngayon eh. Kuya Will, nagle-live pa ba sila, Palku? Oo, magka-live kami kanina. Bukas may bagong episode sa Spotify. Aga mo mag-live mo nga eh. Akala ko naman, nagbayad na yung Meta. Excited ako sa Meta. Sana naman, boom. Sumweldo na sa Meta tonight. Meta, come on. What if na? Maya guys, kaka-live ko lang. Hindi pa na i-stretch ang utak ko. Hindi naman tayo human computer na puno ng banat. Maya. Pag na warm up muna onte. Uy guys, malapit na tayo mag 400k on Facebook. 399 na tayo guys, 399. Look. What was that? Ayun. 399. Konti na lang, 400k na tayo on FB, bro. Yes, sir. Naka-online si Ate Raisi. Makimatch kaya tayo kay Ate Raisi. Ala lang. Kaso baka... Ala lang. Makimatch kaya tayo. Online siya. Trip lang. Ay, kapagod. Super daming ganaps. Patambay kuya, magpapahinga lang po sa life. Oh, go man. Tambay lang, boss. Boss Will, maganda quality ng medieval. Yeah. Kapal. Makapal. English only nga, Paps. Talaga naman gustong i-challenge. Konyo, Boss Will. Amen. Not gonna lie, the conversation with my homie earlier was wild. And I enjoyed it. Kinda miss that homeboy also, we haven't seen each other for a long time, bro, but he my day one, bro. He nice, you know? You know that? Lolo Palku, when Lolo Palku's prime era was, hitting the For You page daily. Bro, I was rooting for that guy. I was really, really rooting for that guy. If you were in our live earlier, you would know what I'm talking about. But he's live now, really? For real, man? I mean, I don't see... Oh! There you go, Maji. There you go. Bro, you live. There you go, my buddy. There you go, man.
Yo, what up?
You be wearing some hoodie type of shit. Damn,
Yeah.
bro. You be wearing some hoodie type of shit.
Yes. How you doing, man?
I don't have any glasses on me, brother, but that hoodie kind of nice, bro. The material kind of nice. Man,
Yeah.
Man,
You too, you too.
you be drinking some coffee too, huh?
Yeah,
Kind of coffee is that, bro?
from McDo.
Yeah, yeah. What kind of coffee is that from McDonald's, bro?
It's Black American.
What you,
90% ice, 10% coffee.
damn, bro.
I like it. What up, bro?
Damn, what could you even drink out of that, my buddy?
Oh my god, man. How you doing, man? How you doing, man?
Yeah, you know what? Not gonna lie, I'm doing good. Just chilling on my live stream. Just been live for about a couple 10 minutes right now, but it's chill. It's chill. It's nice. It's nice.
I'm alive, dude. Like a couple 2 minutes right now. Yeah. Yo, what up?
A couple 2 minutes, huh?
Yeah, a couple 2 minutes, man.
Type shit.
What
Type
up,
shit.
man? Yeah, type shit, type shit. Wow, you're rapping, my homie. Is there something funny, huh?
Nah, that's nothing funny about it. You be tweaking, bro. You be just tweaking. I ain't laughing. I ain't laughing about nothing.
Yeah, I love twinking.
What you mean you love tweaking?
What you saying, man? You say twinking. What does it say? What does it mean? Sama lang ba? Yeah.
Your
I,
accent.
I,
Your
I
accent
don't
is so
feel.
damn Kuya Will.
I don't
Nah.
feel bad. I feel bad, man. Feeling sick right now.
You feel bad? Why you feel bad? You feel kind of sad? You feel bad? For who?
Alikabo! I feel like
Hey man, I thought we just speaking in English, bro. Why you
oh
yelling
my
type of
god.
shit? My bro just be yelling and shit.
Yo, man, that's my friend Alikabo. That's my Filipino friend, man. I
That's a
love Philippines, man.
that's a Filipino friend, huh?
Yeah, huh?
Go do some shout outs, bro. Go do some shout outs. Go do some shout outs.
Shout out Alikabo, man.
Yeah.
Stay safe, man.
Yeah. What's a
Yeah,
likabok, bro? What's a likabok?
it's like a it's like a sand. Yeah.
What you
Dust.
mean,
Dust,
Sam,
dust.
bro? What you mean,
Man,
Sam?
I mean dust. Like a Michael Jackson song, man. You know that? Whoa, my God, man.
Hey,
Man.
let's go. Oh, here's a likabok dust 07. Yo, shout out to you, boys. A
Yeah.
likabok
That's
dust 07.
him. That's him.
That's some
He's
real G,
him.
bro. That's some real G. That's some real G right there.
Real G. So that's real, fucking real G. Oh my God, he's here right now. I think about dust.
He's there again, bro.
What?
He's there again. He's there again.
He's there again, man.
No,
He sent me one
he's
room.
there again. What you mean he's here? He's there.
He's there.
Nah, he's there. You said he's there, but not here. He's there.
What the fuck, man? Are you okay?
Bruh, just be tweaking.
Oh my God, what the twinkling, little star. What the fuck, man? Yeah, man. Welcome to English conference, my homie. Yo, what up, EJ?
Man,
Oh,
not gonna lie, your English is good, bro. English is good.
yeah, man. I live in
Why you be moaning, bro? That's some gay ass shit, bro. Why you be moaning?
No, that's a gay shit,
What you
man.
be saying? Yeah, man, bruh,
Oh my
you be
God,
bugging.
man.
You
Oh
be
my
bugging,
God,
brother.
man.
Why you be moaning and shit? Don't
Yo,
moan
what
and
the
shit.
fuck, man?
Bruh,
I'm
bruh,
fucking
come,
straight, man.
bruh, my
I'm fucking
homeboy be,
straight, man.
my homeboy be moaning type of shit.
Yeah, man. No gay shit, man. What the fuck? Yo, shout out Philippines. Mahal ko kayo.
Hey, there you go. Shout out the Philippines, man.
Yeah, Filipino people, they're fucking dope. 100%, man. Yeah,
They're what?
they're fucking dope.
What you mean?
Hey.
What you mean? The fucking dope?
Never mind. Yo,
Philippines, yes sir, Philippines.
what up, cuz? Yo, my God, man. Hey, man, I have something to say to you, man.
Hey, what is that, bro?
Are you free next weekend?
Next weekend? Nah, man, nah.
Oh my God, man.
Why?
Uh,
Where you been taking your homies, man? Where we going? Where we going?
You know what to the fuck, man? Where we going? Like you asked me where we going, man?
Yeah, where we going?
We go to fuck BGC, man.
Man, we're gonna go to BGC, brother. We're gonna go to BGC.
Yeah, of course.
You be treating us? You be treating us? You be on that high shit? You be treating us?
Yeah, man. Yeah, for sure, man. No problem.
People saying, "B bro, what is BGC?" Hey man, thank you for the heart, Sheila. Thank you, appreciate that, Sheila.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes.
Putang ina ka yung yeah man. Putang ina mo. Gago to. Yeah man na lang sinabi.
Gago legit. Yeah. Ano na? Sumanang damdam ko, putang ina.
Wala pa ka namdam mo, bot.
Di ba pagka-uwi ko, pagdating ko ng bahay, tangina pa. Like, parang maubos lahat eh.
What?
Grabe kasi yung traffic.
Ay, traffic kanina, no?
Oo, wala kang dating pa.
Sabi mo. Hey,
Grabe,
shoutout
wala.
sa'yo, JZMYHR.
Where's Major?
I don't know where's Major.
He's banned.
Oh, he banned from TikTok again? Why he
No,
banned?
discontinue. Like, suspended. My bad.
Because he always be presenting his QR code for some reason.
Who want money?
Man, who doesn't?
Yeah.
But that boy's grind is on another level, bro. He be showing his
Yeah.
Gcash out of nowhere, man.
Yeah, man. He keep grinding. He keep grinding. And final fucking shorties. Shit, man. Like, he want to pay a couple of money just to broke. Oh my god.
Ganyan ka ba mag-English pag sa GTA?
No.
Ay,
Minsan. Di mo na nag-English dun eh. Depende lang.
38 minutes OMSIM. Bakit ano meron pag 10 PM sa inyo? Ba't kayo nalulungkot lagi pag 10 PM?
Oras na kasi ng ng taglamig. Kumbaga, good nightan na yan, pare. Oh, yan na yung yung start na ng mga video call. Sleep call.
Sabi ko, ba't nalulungkot sila pag 10 PM? Ano yun ka ako? Excuse nyo lang ba yun para sa buong araw na di pagpansin sa inyo, uy, pwede na akong mag-relapse. Kahit buong araw naman.
What is that, your mic? Huh? It's Mauno.
Yeah, my mic is Mauno. Mauno
Mauno what?
PD300. PD300X.
Oh
It's
my
nice.
God.
It's nice. It's a nice mic.
Where's your Shure?
Mashure be there.
Yeah.
Yep. Ain't using it for some reason. I just kind of like the Mauno mic.
Okay.
Kuya Will, miss ko naka-sleep call ko. Dang. Thank you, Mr. JD.
Fucking Americano, huh?
Yeah. Tabang?
Okay,
Tabang,
tayo.
no? Tabang.
Pero okay na ako dito. Diabetes na ako.
Gago.
Diabetic. Sorry.
Yeah, baby. Ay. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my bed? But first off, I'ma start by saying this. Ay, all hands shots if you think you can take my bitch. Ay, and I'm too sharp when I shoot, swear I won't miss. Ay, baby.
Gago, gago.
I don't ever chase no hoes. Spotted you had that girl.
Gusto ko yung mga... Hey!
Pull out
Ay, Batman.
Tong ino.
He ain't never take you out. Barely even left your house. How dare that nigga
Akala ko kick ka ngayon.
when his pockets ain't a dime.
Baka next week. Puro itlog. Tarantado, nakabaksir ako. Ay, oo nga, no. They look they want to look, they like to look they fucking did shit here. What up, primo? Man. What?
Sino magla-live sa atin? Magla-live ba sa GC?
Don't know, man.
Oo nga, ako walang gano'n. Nakaantok lang, no? Nakaantok ako ngayon, eh.
Parang bigat nga ngayon, ngayong araw. Bigat. Parang, buong ano ba ako? Simula Monday ba nagtalib ako?
Oo, tuloy-tuloy ka ngayon. Tuloy-tuloy ka ngayon, eh. Baka magkasakit ka niyan.
Okay lang, may mag-aalaga naman eh. Meron nga.
Hindi naman ako nagpupumili.
Ano naman ma-advise mo sa tropa natin, boss? Kay Wingman. Ano naman advice mo? Na-advisean mo na ba kahapon magka-live kayo?
Talo na naman, man. Talo na naman.
Hirap pag nakikita yung tropa na, talo.
Ano anyways, may sarili pa naman siya eh. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, focus muna siya, pre. Kasi pare, patay. Kasi kung gusto niya talaga, pare, umuwi na lang siya. Tapos, ayun, citizen na siya doon, no? Diba? Ayaw niya ba ng pinkish, ganon?
May pinost akong clip eh. Sabi ko nung ka-live ko. Yung si girl, sabi ko. Ready ka na baka kung makita siya may kasamang iba? Sabi niya, blah blah blah, okay na, ganyan. Sabi ko, kung saan siya masaya? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, paano kung sa'yo siya masaya? Paano kung sa'yo siya masaya? Tapos sabi ni girl, ano ba definition ng masaya?
Sa tao ba, sa bagay?
Hindi ka no.
Diba? Madami kasi eh. Gusto mo siyang... Like, tawag dito, ano yung banat ko?
Uy, hello
Gusto kong maging...
J-Mar, thank you.
Gusto kong maging masaya ka, no? Kaya lang nga, doon siya masaya eh. Wala lang, inulit ko lang yung sinabi mo, ginawa ko ng komplikado.
Thank you, Lux. Thank you sa mga nagsisend, guys. Thank you.
Thank you sa pag-follow, guys.
Ano goal mo sa account mo? 1M?
1M. Hindi, doon sa kabila, hindi dito.
Pang live mo lang ba yan?
Bag nga to eh, ang dami kong following pero konti lang yan. Like, mga 64 lang yan eh. Ewan ko. Wala kasi tinatamad ako mag-content eh.
Ako
Kasi Dota.
baliktad tayo. Ako tinatamad ako mag-live. Content ako nakapokus ngayon.
Ano siguro? Wala ako ng maayos na edit na like madadala ko kahit saan. Guys, baka naman pwede nyo kayo guys. Like, ano yun? Ambagan?
Ako guys, naghahanap ako editor.
Legit ba? Legit mo si Hanma?
Ay, hindi ako. Kausap ko lagi si Boss Hanma. Siya gumagawa ng artwork ko. Ng ng pang Spotify ko. Si Boss Hanma lagi gumagawa nun.
Ah, legit? Hindi ko alam yun.
Cover ko, artwork ko, siya yun. Ito, siya may gawa nito. Ito ko sa'yo. Ay? Ba't di mapakita yung baduy?
Malupit yun. Siya din gumagawa ng OBS ko. Saka ng
The
mga
best.
shit ko.
The best yun. Teka, ito. Baka mapakita ko. Ay? Ito. Ito. Thank you, Marion. Thank you. Iba yung nakasave na hindi ito.
Yo, man.
Yo, man.
What
You be tweaking, brother. Man, bro. Type shit, bro. Yellow lava type shit. Yellow lava type shit. Ito, siya gumawa nito. Image. Ay. Yun, siya gumawa niyan, man.
Oh, no. Ito talaga eh. May
Galing
tira din eh, no?
galing ni Boss Hanma, no?
Yung logo mo, isa yan.
Akin talaga to. Pinakommission ko to sa iba.
Okay. Got it.
Galing, no? Galing ni Boss Hanma. Guys, bukas to. Bukas.
Bukas yan?
Oo, uploaded. Hindi, upload ko. 8 PM sa Spotify. Naka-record na yun.
Naka-record na ba yan? Sayang.
Sayang.
Ha?
Sayang.
Hindi ko napanood eh.
Hindi ka naman nanonood ng mga kakolab ko ah.
Ha?
Hindi ka naman nanonood ng mga kakolab ko.
Uy, nanood ako kay ano. Sino yun? Yung crush ako din.
Ang crush ka din? Sino? Christine Samson?
Oh? Legit. Tangina. Suot ko, nakalimutan ko nasaan. Yellow lava.
Sabi, where's me, Jordo?
Baka ano pa yun, naliligo pa.
Naghihintay sa oras na di mabigay. Ano ba talagang tunay?
Bebebot ka?
Hindi, pala akong mag-try mag-ano eh. RP.
Sige, magpaparelapse muna ako din eh.
Sige na.
Sige man. Yo man, think, man.
Depende sa mood ko.
Ako din eh. Mga 2 banat, alis.
Oh?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Sige man, ingat ka dyan man. Ingat dyan.
Dito lang ako sa amin.
Ingat ka dyan.
Okay.
Oo, yan. Si Lolo.
Tulog. Maya, tingnan kita bebot.
Pasilipin mo konti.
Wala ka, hindi nga mapipindot. Ewan ko sa cellphone.
Ay, ganun? Bang, ina ba doon?
Hindi, no? Ayun na naman, no?
Ayun, puta.
Ayaw mo
Arantado.
Many different flavors, so many shapes and sizes.
Yo, J-Mar.
And you going where I am. No surprises, I put it all on the table for you. Nothing's too taboo. I'm ready, willing.
There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. Camera ko, Hollyland, Venus Live Air. Ay, no. J-Mar. What's up, boss? Ian. Ano tayong kanta maganda? Tik. Ah, ito. I'm not a perfect person.
There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning.
Uy, thank you, Olaf Woods. Consistent talaga tong si Olaf Woods eh. Shout out sa'yo, Olaf Woods.
And so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be.
Thank you, Mr. JD.
Reason to
start over. The reason, guys. The reason.
And the reason is you.
Umamin ako pero sabi niya kaibigan lang tayo. Don't waste your time on that person. Never waste your time on a person that doesn't like you. Never ever waste your time. Never ever chase someone who doesn't like you. You're just hurting yourself. Stop chasing people who does not like you. Ba't ka habol ng habol? Eh, hindi naman nagpapahabol.
to change you.
Paulo! To start over you. And the reason is you.
And the reason is
Ooh, dang! Ganda naman ang animation nun. Ng Shell Energy. Thank you, Boss Jods. Hello, Ryu. Hello, Atheng. Uy.
I can be tough, I can be strong, but with you, it's not like that at all. There's a
Philippines. Thank you, Atheng. Uy, thank you, Kio Talks. Kuya, palagi na lang akong tinutulugan.
you just walk through,
At least tulog lang.
and I remember all those crazy things you said. You left them running through my head. You're always there, you're everywhere.
Ganda na hoodie mo, Kuya. Thank you, man. Medieval.
Here, all those crazy things we did. Didn't think about it, just went with it. You're always there, you're everywhere. But right now, I wish you were here. Damn, damn,
Kuya, lagi niya na lang akong sinisin.
what I do to have you here, here, here.
Bakit di mo i-open up na lagi kanyang sinisin?
I can be tough,
Takot ka ba sa sasabihin niya?
strong,
Takot ka ba sa isasagot niya? Di mo kayang harapin? Ayaw mo pala yun eh. Ba't di mo konfrontahin?
shit.
Ba't di mo sabihin?
Behind this wall, you just walk through it.
Kasi pag sumagot, di mo rin kayang tanggapin.
All those crazy things you said, you left them running.
Kaya hanggang ganyan ka na lang.
Always there,
Pag ganyan-ganyan ka na lang.
but right now I wish you were here. All those crazy things we did, didn't think about it, just went with it. You're always there, you're everywhere, but right now I wish you were here. Damn, damn, damn.
What I do to have you here, here, here. I wish you were here. Damn, damn, damn.
What I do to have you near, near, near. I wish you were here. I love the way you are. It's who I am.
Hey,
Don't have to try hard.
hey, hey,
We
hey.
always say,
Bum, bum,
say it like
bum,
it is.
bum, bum, bum.
And the truth is that I really miss all those crazy things you said. You left them running through my head. You're always there, you're everywhere
Kuya, may crush ako pero sa kaibigan ko napunta.
here. All those crazy things we did.
Eh,
Didn't think about it,
ganun talaga buhay.
you're always
Di lahat ng gusto mo,
but right now I wish
mapapasayo.
damn, damn.
Tsaka, mapipilit mo ba yun? Kung hindi naman talaga ikaw yung gusto. Tagal ka nang walang upload sa Spotify. Bukas guys, meron. Nakaschedule na. Every Friday. Pag nag-upload, pakinggan na. Pakinggan na. Ano mga nagsasabing walang upload ah. Pakinggan na. Yes sir.
Just wanna let you know that I never
Kuya, nagtampo lang ako, iniwan na ako. Eh, hindi ka talaga gusto.
Damn, 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 damn. What'll I do to have you here, here, here? I wish you were. Damn, damn, damn. What'll I do to have you near, near, near? I wish you were here. Damn, damn, damn. What'll I do to have you here?
Lagi ko nakikita yung comment na yan, nasa iyo na, pinatalo mo pa. Anong nasa iyo na? Hindi naman naging sayo. Feeling mo naman naging sayo, boss. Nakausap mo lang, sayo na. Talaga lang? Porket naka-talking stage, sayo yon. Talaga lang?
Nakaupo siya sa isang madilim na sulok.
Di naman eh. Ewan ko ba kung bakit sa libo-libong
Babaeng nandoon, wala pang isang minuto, nahulog na ang loob ko sa'yo.
Nakaka-enjoy ulit guys mag-walking. Kanina nag-walking ulit ako eh. 5 kilometer chill walk lang. Alam niyo pag maraming laman yung utak niyo. Tapos minsan parang nakaka-clear lang din ng mind. Gets niyo ba? Pag masyado ka maraming iniisip, masyadong loaded yung utak mo. Mas minsan pa pag nag-walking or natatanggal. May ganun eh, no? May kanya-kanya tayong, ano ba tawag dun? Coping? Eh, hindi. May kanya-kanya tayong outlet na ginagawa pag masyado ng marami yung nasa utak natin. Gets nyo? Iba yung lalo na sa mga kapwa ko dyan na loaded na yung utak ngayong panahon na to. Alagaan nyo palagi si self, guys. Alagaan nyo palagi si self. Kuya Will, bakit di ka nagka-jowa? Who told you that? Love you, Kuya Will. Love you too, man. You don't have to be ordinary. Guys, pakinggan nyo tong kanta to. Maganda to. Search nyo. Life of the Party. Shawn Mendes. Thank you, Kiles. Mas gusto ko talagang gusto ko na lang. Content. Kaysa live. Parang alam nyo, may nasayang akong binili. Madami akong binili dating laro sa Steam. Tapos sa sobrang wala na akong time ngayon, nakatambay lang siya doon sa Steam tuloy. Ito, di ko malaro-laro. Sayang nga min eh. Legit Miller. May pa? Ano to? WWE, God of War, Solo Leveling, Mortal Kombat 1, Tekken 8. Puta, wala nang oras. Hirap pag getting old ka namin, pagpatrentahin ka na. Wala nang oras na Naging ako ba? Malay ko sa'yo, Alexi. Baka hindi. Di ka rin sure eh. So, paano pa ako? Paano pa ako, Alexi? Hiram BS, Paps. Pwede naman. Naging kayo ba? Kami pa rin naman. Magko 5 years na. Eh, kayo.
We used to be the life of the party, body to body, dance the night away, shoot tequila straight, obsessed with each other.
Ako pa ba? Malay ko.
Another round until
Malay ko.
last call. Wasn't alcohol keeping us up till the sun came around.
Di pa kasal. Wala akong pera.
Forever, but now
You're the reason there's no whiskey.
anywhere inside this house, you're the reason.
Minsan guys, gusto ko talaga chill live lang. Ayoko nang bigat sa utak. Bigat sa utak, min. Na pagod utak ko din. Gusto kong ipul yung mga content ko. Content na lang. Hirap pag guys, mahirap pag live. Tapos lagi kang lagi mo kailangan mag-isip ng banat. Gusto ko chill lang. Drop na lang kayo ng tanong dyan guys. Pag kung ano tanong nyo. Pero kung mas chill na tanong, mas masasagot natin, men. Loaded utak ko ngayon. Pagod ako, guys. Chill muna tayo. Hindi ko masasagot, guys, mga tanong nyo if ever, if ever, mga mabibigat na tanong. Baka di ko masagot. Drop na lang kayo dyan ng mga chill questions. Para tayo. Wala ako sa mood guys, sumagot ng mga, ngayon, loaded din utak ko eh. Loaded. Magandang kanta. Ay, ito maganda tayo. Ayoko to. Meron akong pinakinggan nung minsan. Nakalimutan kong putik. Mag-Kinan na nga lang tayo. Kinan. Favorite lesson? Ano ba to?
Started as friends, but it got kinda complicated. You knew that you did.
Musta life natin, boss? Okay naman, men. Bumabawi kay self this year. Nagdago walking na ulit. Nag-gain kasi ako ng weight ng mga nakaraan eh. Ngayon, na ulit. Cardio, walking every day. Tinatry ko as much as possible 5 kilometers. Nakafocus ako ngayon, boss, sa content after my day job. Kasi syempre may day job ako 8 to 5. Tapos sa gabi, I do this shit. Then, ayun. Focus sa content. Tinatry ko as much as possible. Mabilisan ko ma-shot lahat. And, ayun. Kinda grindin din para makapagkuha na tayo ng editor. Kasi wala pa akong editor. Ayun. And, ayun. Grind lang. Nag-grind ako ngayon para may pangkuha na rin tayo ng editor natin. Yo, thank you sa nagtanong na yun, Matt. Shout out to you, Matt. May new perfume ka ulit? Meron, Crimza. Nasaan ba yun? Kotidiano na Valaya. Tapos eto, paubos ko. Ay, shit. Hindi ko pa mabagsak. Paubos ko na to 30 ml na Gentleman ng Gavel. Gavel ba yun? Bango. Ano to eh? Gentle Fluidity Silver. Okay lang, Miller. Huwag ka na mag-mute. Go lang. Hindi ko rin naman na mapapansin kapag alam ko yung tanong medyo mabigat. Hindi ko kaya mag-entertain ng mabibigat na questions, guys. Lang tayo. Chill lang tayo. Chill live lang muna tayo. Medyo bigat utak ko ngayon eh. Kaya masiskip ko yung mga mabibigat na questions. Nagpo-fasting ka ba, Babs? Oo. Before. Pero ngayon di pa ulit ako nakakapag-start. Yung fasting ko nga may daya eh. May drinks. Dapat wala. Mga spammer. Before, nag-gym ako. Nahinto lang ko for a month. Mas trip ko ngayon mag-walking eh. Mas nakabawas ng iniisip. Not. Best perfume Reco. Dun sa mga ina-affiliate ko. Depende. Pag freshy siguro. Hindi kanya-kanya sila eh. Kung ano yung ina-affiliate ko na brand. Di ba marami silang perfume. Pero sa lahat ng lineup nila, yun lang yung pinaka-trip ko. May kanya-kanya sila kasi. Yung iba, malakas projection. Yung iba, sobrang bango pero di ganong malakas projection. Saktuhan lang. Ganun. Ano yung simoy? Matcha or coffee? As much as I love matcha, feeling ko coffee. Iba eh. Iba. Kailangan ng lalo na sa akin pag sobrang kailangan ko ng palo everyday. Dami ko rin binabalanse ngayon guys sa buhay. Fave song ko patugtugin. Kapag gusto ko lang mag-chill, kunwari loaded yung, parang kanina nagwo-walking ako, loaded yung utak ko, tapos gusto ko wala akong isipin, gusto ko mag-zone out lang, ang pinapatugtog ko, ito, Ceilings by Lizzie McAlpine.
Ceilings, plaster.
Yan.
Can't you
Just make it move faster.
Lovely to be sitting here with you.
Solid yan pag gusto nyo lang mag-chill out. Or mag-space out. Mag-zone out pala. Mag-zone out.
Raining harder. My shoes are now full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. It's kinda cute, but it's so short.
Title, Ceilings guys. Ceilings. Ito pinapatugtog ko pag nag-walking ako. Gusto ko kasi guys pag nag-walking ako, hindi fast pace. Alam mo yung talagang chill lang. Talagang naglalakad ka lang, talagang chill pace lang para lang matanggal yung mga iniisip mo. Ganun ako ng mga nakaraan, guys. Kasi I'm gonna be honest ngayon, I'm gonna be honest sa inyo guys, fully loaded yung utak ko ngayon, kaya pasensya na kayo kung hindi ako makakapag-content ng malulungkot kasi hindi ko talaga kaya, man. Loaded talaga. Kaya, ganyan yung mga trip kong pinapatugtog lang na kanta. Minsan pa nag-walking ako, sobrang bagal na walk lang, tapos ganyan.
You kiss me in your car and it
Si Lizzie McAlpine, guys. Feeling ko naman magigets nyo naman ako pag ako muna yung nag-excuse sa inyo na loaded yung utak ko, no? I mean, mental health. Feeling ko naman magigets nyo naman, no? Feeling ko okay lang.
Touch me like nobody else does. Lovely to just lay here with you. You're kinda cute and I would say all of this, but I don't want.
Guys, kakasabi nga lang. Ito naman mga comment na to. End live na lang ata muna ako para chill muna ako. Sabi ko nga, chill muna ako eh.
But it's over. Then you're driving me home, and it kinda comes out as I get up to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before, but it's not real, and you don't exist, and I can't recall the last time I was kissed. It hits me in
Wag L comments, guys. Read the room, read the room. Wag L, wag L. Come on, man. Hindi pwede laging ganun.
All my bags are packed, ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up.
Hindi naman ako sad, guys. Ano lang. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-chill lang muna. Like, legit na, ano lang, tambay lang.
Early morn,
Eh, wala mo nang pilitan ng ano, guys. Ng, ano,
I'm so lonesome I could
relapse shit.
So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never.
Bawi na lang ako sa inyo sa relapse shit.
'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, baby.
I've watched those eyes light up with a smile, river in the night.
Siguro yan.
Oh, you taught me all that I know. I've seen your soul grow just like a rose, made it through all of those thorns. Girl, into the woman I know.
And it's killing me to say I'm fine.
I'm fine.
When I really mean me to say
You're my all and more. All I know, you taught me. You're my all and more. But I need.
Nung nag-collab nga pala kami, guys, ni Celine Nobleza. Nagulat nga siya na sabi niya, akala niya full-time content creator ako. Sabi ko, hindi, ano lang to. Sa gabi ko lang to nagagawa. Meron akong pa rin. Day job pa rin, day job. Kaya yun, medyo pagod. Loaded utak ko ngayon. Kaya mas gusto ko minsan nag-shoot na lang ng content. Madalang na yung live para less pressure.
And it's killing me to say I'm fine, I'm fine. When I really mean to say you're my all and more. All I know, you taught me. Yeah. You're my all and
Never, never. Never, never.
While I'm on Sunset, are you on the subway? While I drive, are you getting on the L train?
I mean Manhattan's nights, so Malibu nights.
You would know if you stay. You would know if you put up a fight. Your toes turn blue in winter.
I'm getting red rum.
That's your trick for.
Okay lang Clay Miller. Huwag na kayong huwag na kayong mag-mute. May nakabalandra naman dyan. Pag nalang spam. Kung di naman spam, go lang. Bahala na sila magbasa dyan. Basahin na lang nila. Laki-laki na nakalagay dyan eh. Read the room na lang guys. Read the room na lang. Chill lang. Chill live. Tugtog lang. Hello, Nick. Podcast. Hindi po. In the city of angels. In the city of angels. Hope New York holds you. Hope it holds you like I do. Title, Lala Lost You.
In the city of angels. Summer's ending now and the nights are cooling down. Remember last winter when we would drive around
Silver Lake, Hollywood. Pretty little white lights got me good. Thought it was love, I was misunderstood. Feeling low on the low. Driving to no home. If I'm honest, I call. But I'm trying to let go. And I hope you're happy. Living life in taxis. But you'll always have me.
You'll always have me. All my demons run. All my demons have your smile.
In the city of angels. In the city of angels. Hope New York holds you. Go to chill song ko. Kanina yung sa ngayon ceilings yung pinatugtog ko kanina. And go to chill song. Wala. Nga lang. Ito.
I'd be nothing without you. There'd be no song without you, without you. When I'm down and out and I feel like there is nothing left for me, you save me.
Yeah, first. Thank you, first.
I'd feel nothing without you. There'd be no song without you, without you. When I got into a fight and you stood right up for me, you saved me, you saved me. No song without you, there would be no song without you, there would be no song without you, without you, without you. When I worry about some stupid shit, you always reassure me. You save me, you save me. Oh, I'd be nothing without you.
Hindi ka ba i-edit? 10:30? End na rin ako 10:30.
There'd be no song without you, without you. There would be no song without you.
Tingnan tayo ng chill. Play tayo ng ano. Instrumental. Demons, Imagine Dragons. Piano. Ooh, this is nice. When the days are cold and the clouds overfold in the sands, easy are all made of gold. When your dreams all fail and the ones we held are the worst of all, and the blood runs stale. And I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we're still made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. Look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide. It's dark inside. Curtains call, it's the last over in the lights. Oh, the sinners call, so they dug your grave, and the masquerade will come calling out at the mess you've made. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound, though this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breed, we're still made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. Look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide. It's dark inside. They say it's what you made. I it's up to fade. It's woven in my soul. I need to let you go. Your eyes, they shine so bright. I wanna save that light. I can't escape this now unless you show me how. Thank you, Jake. Papaantok lang ako, guys. And I look into your eyes. It's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Oh, there's so much they hold. And just like the moon stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. And we got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend, unless we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to be without the word caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. Well, I won't give up on us, and even if the skies get rough, give it all, my love. I'm still looking up. Well, I won't give up. umikos ng mundo sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad. Parang wala ng bukas. Pwede bang umiwas? Hinahanap ang sarili, ngunit di nakakayanin sa ligaw na tinataanan ko. Saan na to patungo? Saan ako patungo? Taong tumitingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan. Ang iangat ang mukha pang silayan, kaya pa ang kalangitan. O pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa. Tulala lang sa aking kwarto at nagmumuni-muni ang tanong sa aking sarili. Bakit sa iyo pa nagkagusto? Parang buong lahi kay naglaho. Porque contigo yo escogí ahora corazón te sufrí. Bien simple lang iyo tapiti. Era sentido el ko sa'yo ya sentí. Tapi di milagro mira el tiempo, el mal y hace derecho. Nadie vio eso, tapi Dios era olvida y
sufrir. Bien simple lang iyo dapat era sentido el gozayo y sana'y magmilagro, mabalik ko, mali ay maidiretso. Pinagdarasal ko sa aking puso na mapura ka sa isip ko. Can I be him? Can I be him? Good night to into the room, and now my heart's been stolen. You took me back in time to when I was unbroken. Now you're all I want, and I knew it from the very first moment. 'Cause the light came on when I heard that song, and I want you to sing it again. I swear that every word you sing, you wrote them for me. Like it was a private show, but I know you never saw me. When the lights come on and I'm on my own, will you be there to sing it again? Could I be the one you talk about and know your story? Can I be him? Can I be him? I heard there was someone, but I know he don't deserve you. If you were mine, I'd never let anyone hurt you. I wanna dry those tears, kiss those lips. It's all that I've been thinking about. 'Cause the night came on and I heard that song, and I want you to sing it again. Oh, sing it again. And I swear that every word you sing, you wrote them for me. Like it was a private show, but I know you never saw me. When the lights came on and I'm on my own, will you be there to sing it again? Oh, sing it again. Could I be the one you talk about and know your stories? Could I be the one? Won't you sing it again? Oh, when you sing it again, can I be him? Oh, sing it again. Say, can I be held? I swear that every word you sing, you wrote them for me. Like it was a private show, but I know you never saw me. When the lights come on and I'm on my own, will you be there to sing it again? Can I be the one you told about in all your stories? Can I be him? Can I be him? Can I be him? Can I be him?
Goods. Goods. Goods naman. Goods. Goods na chill. Goods, goods, goods. Paano kaya to? Goods naman, no? Goods. Ang nais ko, kagandahan mo ay pagmasdan ang pag-ibig mo sa kitugong. Kailan may di papabayaan sa iyo lamang matatagpuan sa iyo lamang nananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka. Wala pala. Lilim ng kuha tayong lower. Ay, mali. Sige man. Ito favorite ko tong pinapakinggan pero di ko alam paano kantahin. Paano nga ito? Dapat pala hindi yan. Paano yun? Paano tono nun? Nalobat na rin pala ako. Under your grace, your mercy mazes me. Under your wings, your shadow covers me. Your arms of love, where my heart is safely undone. Speak to me, Lord. Your servants listening over the noise. I hear you whispering, my hope has come, and my heart is safely undone.
anchored with you. My resting place is in your name, forever safe. Speak to me, Lord. Your servant is listening over the noise. I hear you whispering, my hope has come, and my heart is safely undone. I found my fortress in you. Your soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. With you, my resting place is in your name, forever safe, forever safe.
Okay guys, mag-outro na din ako. Lobat na rin lahat. Gusto ko lang din sabihin na God, thank you for everything. Thank you for always keeping us safe. And I hope you always guide us. And may the things that bother us, may our thoughts na minsan hindi na mapakali, sana po kumalma sila. And may everyone receive the genuine happiness that they deserve. Amen. Thank you guys. Medyo pagod lang ako mentally tonight. Bawi ako sa inyo bukas. Marami din kasi akong shoot na content. Tapos fully loaded ang utak ni Will Talks tonight. So bawi ako sa inyo. Pasensya na. Ayun. Bawi ako sa inyo guys. Good night. Hi, ako si Will and this is Will Talks. I love you all and syempre I love you kay Selena. Thank you for streaming. Love, life, and everything in between. As always, welcome home. Thank you guys.